President Emerson Mnangagwa deserves a term extension, not as a favor, but as a function of national interest. Zalabira mashikobudani kupangwa ine tiona kuti ZANU-PF members zvikanana pangwa ine zvopusha. Now they are finalizing my issues aiwa a2030 vachiri mutungamiri wenyika anodisiva the 2030 plan. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamobudani kwa mshinzi. The presidency is not a ceremonial post. It is the nerve center of governance, policy continuity, and geopolitical navigation. Since assuming office in 2017, President Mnangagwa has presided over a complex reform agenda, economic stabilization, re-engagement with the international community, and infrastructural renewal. These are not projects that can be completed within the artificial confines of a 5-year term. Critics will argue, as they always do, that term extensions are antithetical to democracy. But democracy is not a suicide pact. It is a system of governance that must adapt to context. In a nation still emerging from decades of institutional decay and economic trauma, the abrupt disruption of leadership risks reversing hard-won gains. The Constitution, after all, is a living document, not a straitjacket. Moreover, President Mnangagwa's leadership has brought a measure of predictability to Zimbabwe's political economy. The macroeconomic reforms, though painful, have laid the groundwork for long-term recovery. The Second Republic's infrastructure drive, from roads to energy, has become transformative. These are not achievements to be discarded at the altar of electoral ritualism. There is no credible alternative with the institutional depth, liberation credentials, and strategic foresight to steer the nation through the next phase of its development. Leadership is not about charisma or populism. It is about capacity, clarity, and continuity. President Mnangagwa has demonstrated all three. Ndo mashikabudani kupangwa iyo nagachange. Atikona kuti ari kupusha mutungamiri wenyika achiti he deserves the 2030 plan. Mboti zai mafunguro eyi munoti kudii pamusoro aiwa mashoko anoyapangwa ido achitaura paendo pake. Bvira comment section medu zofunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.